everyone. Today is the opening ceremony of the 73rd UN General Assembly. We have gathered here today to demonstrate in front of the United Nations, appealing to the United Nations, world governments, and the international community and the global media to help pressure China to shut down the concentration camps and to prevent a Holocaust in the 21st century. We're going to be here all day appealing to the United Nations to help shut down the Chinese concentration camps, which according to the United Nations Committee on the Elimination of Racial Discrimination, some 1 million Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, Uzbeks, Tatars, and other Turkic peoples of East Turkistan are locked up in so-called counter-extremism centers, with a further 2 million or more in political and cultural re-education camps. This is unprecedented in the 21st century, and the mass human rights violations and crimes against humanity that China is committing needs to be stopped. What China is doing is in contradiction to the United Nations Convention on the crime, on the punishment, prevention and punishment of the crime of genocide. So we're going to appeal to the United Nations to adhere to the Genocide Convention and hold China accountable for the mass genocide that it is slowly undertaking in East Turkestan. East Turkestan is an occupied territory. It was occupied in 1949 by Communist China and renamed to Xinjiang, which means the new frontier. The ethnic Uyghurs are the majority population in East Turkestan, and in fact prior to 1949, to Chinese invasion, 96% of East Turkestan's population were ethnic Turkic people. However, with over 68 years of colonization has led to our people to become marginalized in our own country, but yet the Turkic people still remain the majority. However, given the current situation, if the international community continues to stand silent and continues to, quote, just monitor the situation, we fear that there will be a repeat of history in which the fate of the Uyghur people and the people of East Turkestan will be very similar to the fate of the Jews under Nazi Germany. So we'd like to call on the United Nations and world governments to uphold the United Nations Genocide Convention and prevent China from engaging in a 21st century Holocaust, and to recognize, we ask that the United Nations recognize East Turkestan as an occupied territory. Thank you.